Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, back with another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 795. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. This is the app that I use to invest in Bitcoin every day. If you aren't familiar with this app, it's a full service banking and investing app. And there's hundreds of other tutorials and experiments on my channel if you guys want to learn how to use it. You can also sign up with the link in the description and get $5 for free. But let's get into it. Let's hop into the investing section. So we have Bitcoin and stocks up at the top of the screen. We want to be on the Bitcoin section. I currently have $5,003 worth of Bitcoin. The price of one Bitcoin is $58,040, up 0.58% today, down about 2% on the last week, up about 2% on the last month. So you can see it's consolidating quite a bit over the last month there, up 731% over the past year. I think it's looking pretty good lately in this zone, but I don't know. You never know, right? I'm just a long-term buyer, long-term holder. So that's what we're gonna stick to. As far as news goes, I haven't seen anything major lately. I think MicroStrategy purchased a bunch of more Bitcoin, which is typical. Cash App does have some new dope features coming, hopefully coming to Bitcoin soon, but in the stock section, you can now place limit orders, which can be found right here. Custom purchase order allows you to buy at a certain price, like set these orders. I have a full tutorial video that you guys can check out. That was the video posted right before this one if you want to learn how to do those limit orders or custom orders. So Cash App continuing to make new features and execute them really well. I think they did a really good job with the new custom order feature. But anyways, Bitcoin owned 0.08620050. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's going to give us our order details and tap confirm. Just like that, we've added one more dollar of Bitcoin. Tap done. You can scroll down here. See, my Bitcoin owned is now 0.086211723. So slowly building our balance, $1 a day here. There's a new little thing right there, display currency. So you can put this in Satoshis if you want. So let's go ahead and do the math on this. $5,000, 5,000 divided by 795 days equals a 6.28x on my investment. So what that means, for every dollar I put into this experiment, I now have $6.28. So doing really well here. Just going to keep doing the same strategy, dollar cost averaging for a long period of time. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Also check out the BetFury link down in the description. Earn free Bitcoin every 20 minutes. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, you might wear